Today we're going to be talking about how to apply Rain-X. So a lot of people know about Rain-X. It's a great thing. It helps the water bead up on your windshield, on your windows. This is it right here. That's what we're going to be using. So what I'm going to be using to apply it and also take it off is a microfiber towel. The glass has been washed. I completely detailed this vehicle. So now I'm going to take my microfiber on the corner and I'm going to apply liberally. Make sure that you don't get Rain-X on the paint. I'm going to start from the middle of the windshield. That you get around the edges for adequate coverage. I'm going to come around to the other side. Get you a damp microfiber and just go over it.